There is an outside air temperature sensor mounted to the lower part of the front bumper cover, red arrow. You will need to remove this and pass it through the bumper before removing the cover. Remove the plug from the front of the bumper cover, red arrow. There is a small plug located above the sensor, red arrow. To remove this, you can simply unscrew the Phillips head screw attaching the sensor to the bumper and pass it through the hole. We cannot remove the plug without risking damaging the paint on the bumper cover, so we remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding the license cover on, yellow arrows. With the cover off, you can get access to the sensor, remove the Phillips head screw, red arrow, and pass the sensor through the holes in both covers, yellow arrows. Next, remove the 2 10mm bolts holding the cover to the outside section of the frame, red arrow, one side shown. Make sure not to lose the large washer attached to the bolt. It is necessary for installation. Remove one of the 13mm nuts from the front of the bumper to front cross member and loosen the other, red arrows. It is a good idea to leave one of the nuts loosely fastened until you are ready to remove the bumper cover. Repeat for both sides of the bumper cover. Make sure you use the large washer and bolt when reinstalling. With the nuts and washers removed, you can easily slip the bumper off the front of the vehicle. If you are working by yourself, it is a good idea to put some tape on the front of the bumper, red arrow, so if you need to put the bumper down, you will not damage the paint. Now is a good time to clean out any dirt or debris found behind the bumper cover. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.